Guys, yan. Freaking kapal ng snow. Pauwi pa lang tayo. Tapos pa lang ng trabaho. 7 PM dito. Wala. Hindi pa napuplow. Yan, grabe oh. Kapal. Tapos ang lamig pa. Yan. Pinisin natin para makita nyo ng gusto. Kapal yan guys. Pero pino yung snow ngayon. Nakita nyo hindi lubak-lubak. Ramdaman mo kasi pagka ano yung snow tigas, malambot pa. Pino siya. Nag-start ng alas 9 to right now until 10. Haba tong snowstorm na to. Tapos mahangin pa. Grabe. Sana sa highway medyo okay na. Kasi pagka ganyan hindi pa rin sila nagflow kasi bumabagsak pa yung yung snow. Seconds.
Oh yet. So we still have, we're getting there. We're in the tail end of the worst of it for sure. I mean, it's still snowing pretty heavily, but in the next couple of hours, it does start to ease a little bit. It just becomes lighter. It accumulates a little slower. We're still going to be seeing some flurries likely through the overnight. The big concern overnight will be the blowing and drifting snow, just because we have magnificent snowpack at this point across the GTA. Are expected to ease slightly. Gusts are still nearing 50 kilometers. And we've seen just over 40 centimeters.
30 to 60 centimeter sa Toronto, the GTA.
Just over 20 centimeters of snow. So this is expected to far surpass that. Of course, we won't have official numbers yet, but if you're an enthusiast, you can always go outdoors with a ruler and see what's outside, your home or your neck of the woods. But just be very careful when you head outside because this is very, very stormy. Felix?
Yeah, thank you, Denise. So the latest news coming in this evening, schools are going to be closed tomorrow in Toronto as well as Peel, York, and Durham regions. We've now heard from all 8 school boards, including Catholic school boards in those areas. They are all shut down tomorrow. The City of Toronto has declared a major snowstorm condition and a significant weather event. City Manager Paul Johnson explained what that means for residents.
It enacts some bylaws, one of which is important, which is our no parking on some of our major routes and obviously our streetcar routes. So that came into effect about 4 o'clock today. So I would remind Torontonians to check our website. We did add some new routes, and I know that some of our residents found that out in the last storm event.
So if you're driving, keep in mind visibility is very limited right now. You cannot see far at all. Most flights at Pearson continue to be canceled. There are a lot of delays for the flights that are still running. There are several separate closures on the subway system right now, including multiple stretches of lines 1 and 2.
Puro snow yan guys.
TTC says many of those closures are because of...
Ayun. Kaya importante rin talaga naka-full tank ka pagka merong snowstorm. Kailangan full tank in any case na mangyari sa kalsada. Naka-on ang heater mo at engine mo. Kasi pagka naubusan ka ganyan sa kalsada, oh my goodness, baka hindi ka makasurvive sa lamig guys, sa lamig. Negative 12 maybe feels like negative 19 or 20. Grabe ang kapal ng snow. Di pa rin tumana papunta sa highway. Hindi pa rin malinis guys. Yan, papunta sa highway na ako. Hindi na ako nag-backdoor. Nag-ano na ako sa highway. Kasi panigurado mas maano sa backdoor. I think okay naman na grabe dilim guys. Dumi. Dula sa kalsada. So pogi lang guys. Ayan. Grabe. Ayan o. Pero madalang naman ang dumadaan. Merong part na malinis. Ayan. Merong part na yun makapal. Yan o. Maano nyo agad o. Yan o. Ito. Dinadaanan na ng sasakyan malinis. Ayan. Pero yung kabila o. Diba? So na ano, takbo 80 na. Ganito na lang. Hindi na tayo magmamadali mag-uwi para maging safe tayo guys. So madilim. Yan guys, yun. Grabe. Ang haba nitong snowstorm na to guys. Grabe talaga. From 8 AM or 9 AM nag-start until right now, until 10 PM. Mayroon pang madaling araw. Kaya yun. Okay guys, maraming salamat. God bless everyone.